This is Mr. Right.
Uncle Bunny.
Yeah, hello, later.
Yeah, but I go back road now.
Okay.
On the road.
This is Mr. Right. He says the best jerk chicken I ever tasted. Fish, bami, festival jerk chicken.
Pasta.
Pasta,
Shrimp,
shrimp, crab. What I just again, sorry?
607 Maze Avenue.
He jerks on Fridays and Saturdays. Don't come on any other day.
Now 27.
No problem.
Him at the sales rep.
Huh?
Him at the sales rep.
Him say I'm going to put me where? But yeah, put up on.
TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram.
YouTube and Instagram.
No, man, you're not the point.
No,
You,
you never
you
use
can't go right this
use
way.
your husband.
It's alright. I can put it on YouTube,
That's the
TikTok,
way to go.
Instagram.
Alright.
With social media.
Then you watch it.
These young kids. When people
We
need
Kevin going up in the pull on. What Kevin not easy?
when people need stuff, that's where they go.
Kevin going up in the Mr. Right.
And when Mr. Right, I got to go that one.
This one come back.
Kevin now come back again. Kevin going on. You see this one already?
I don't
Yeah
know.
man, don't move.
Don't move, he said.
I don't know. I can't answer for.
He said, don't move.
He said don't move a muscle.
You move.
Alright, sorry, that's true.
You see? That I got to hold you back 20 more minutes now, you know.
Oh, that's not true. I don't think you're that cool. Nothing like that.
We use the flour. Put in the pots. Fryer.
What? Alright.
Yes. See how we knead the flour very well? See how we knead the flour very well?
You got it made.
Sorry, I got some chicken now?
No, I'm not dropping the chicken now. I'm
You
chopping
got it made.
the festival first.
Alright.
I mean, the bami. the
Bami.
fry.
I look how it chops it. See? Chops it in little slices. Long slices. See? And then put them like this.
In a
Into
branch.
a branch. And it takes the festival out.
Huh? Gotta do that. No, it's not that. You're gonna like me though.
Yeah, stone. Next.
Sleep.
She do that every night.
Really?
Yeah.
Then you put her come and boom back to sleep too.
Alright.
She sleep.
Bring her a boom back, come in here,
Say she not go dance.
Come in, carry you.
I need a fit.
That's Bummy right there. These are the festivals. So I'm talking about the long tasty.
See, I told you, when your chicken is ready, your festival in your bunny will be ready. So if I'm a lift the grill, bird me a cut.
Okay.
Nice.
The bird will be cutting.
So we have sugar ants, we have mud ants, we have biting ants on here. Yeah. Let's see, sometimes you see one, sometimes you see three of them. Red ants, mud ants, biting ants, and sugar ants. 4 ants.
Use cinnamon. Sprinkle cinnamon where they at.
Ketchup, pepper, man.
Pepper, no ketchup.
See, I'm chop the chicken, nice and choppy.
You gotta sprinkle cinnamon where the ants are.
Nice. Then you get the foil paper. See?
Cinnamon is brown.
I'll wrap
You
it
gotta
up in
put
it.
some cinnamon. You can put it on napkin.
Nice and safe.
Counter.
Got a local sauce.
Earlier this year, I did have a lot of ants. I don't know where they come from.
This is a chef right here.
That's what I eat.
but
This is
my
a chef, I
ants
tell
them
you.
come in at the
This is
winter.
a chef. So good.
That's what I use get rid of them. They nasty.